Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists. Current topic for this lecture is SQL, but we are going to use count distinct function, and this is lecture number 10 in this series given by myself, Shanaz Malik. Let's quickly dive and see what's in the core of this lecture. Just remember that the count function, when used with distinct function, returns the number of unique values that matches a specified crate area. Okay, this is the syntax, whereby you select, a column, but you put distinct in front of it, and then whole you put as a kind of on through count, and you will get distinct count. Okay, and now from table where condition, you don't need to put condition, unless and until it is required for your query. We can do even without condition. I can show you one, but you can then try in your database where you are, practicing or executing these skills. You can put, add your where condition in it. Just to see how this query works, let's open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and see how it goes. Okay, here I am in my SQL Server Management Studio, and if you see, I'm working with AdventureWorks 2014, and what I'm just doing. Okay, see, I have to change first this find the count of find the count of distinct group name field in the human resource department table, and I am just going to take this off. We don't need this. Let's keep it simple, okay, to the point. So here I'm selecting group named, and I'm basically giving it a distinct keyword. So it's going to select distinct group names and then give me count, and then I can say that it is I'm giving also an alias. As you know that we need to give alias, saying it unique group name, or you can give whatever makes sense to your query. And from, I'm just fetching all this information from human resources dot departments table. Okay, let's see what this query gives to us. So we have 16 unique group names. Now, just to show you what it means, so that this query makes most sense to you, all of you guys, if you are thinking what I'm doing, and if it's not making sense until now, although the query is simple. Now let me execute. What I'm just doing, just I'm just amending the query. Don't worry about the top this stuff. Just worry about this stuff. Okay, I'm selecting everything from this table, and if I execute, now this is what I have 16 rows, okay, are coming back from this query. And if you see, for example, research and development is one group names, and the second one is sales and marketing, so two. So I'm not going to count, because we are trying to fetch distinct and then count them. So unique, we need unique, we don't need repetition. Okay, so one is research and development, second is sales and marketing, okay, it's two. Then it's inventory management, so that's three. This one already is counted. Manufacturing is fourth. Executive general and administration is five, and quality assurance is sixth. And then this is repeating, and this is also repeating here, and this is also repeating here. Okay, and this is also repeating. So you have six distinct group names, and that's what we are getting here. Okay, that's what we are getting. We have six distinct group names, okay, in group name column. And this is the way how you work with, if you have to count distinct group, distinct, if you give distinct to a column name and then count, and then you will get the distinct count. And hope this makes all sense to you guys. And if it does, I'm really happy for all of you. Then if you have any questions, please send comments, send your questions through comments, and I will have a look. If you would like me to put some add something to this query, or you have questions, or something is not making sense, please communicate. I will try my best to reply to as much as I can. And with that to say, if you like my this video, please subscribe, connect to me if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next videos. Until then, it's time to say thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals, and remember, sharing this video is caring for yourself, your colleagues, your society, and on the whole, to you can share with the world, because nowadays Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all that, WhatsApp, and all other platforms are at the fingertips. So if you share it wherever your footprints are, I will be highly thankful. And with that to say, it's time to say goodbye.